So like how many countries have you been so far? Among those, which one is your favorite one?
Liangmai, but for the relationship, I think I choose Liangmai guy. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. But I kind of like I got the attention and I love attention, so thank you.
That was really eye-catching though.
Thank you.
Yeah. Churapku, chura ramai ngari ramai je pungta se. Siga telu je like nang koi pa du tiu bu tinga de tiu kop ni mai react tiu lo.
Okay, it's interesting. Zeng Dui and Cultural Moisi mix come lo new aliwo staff ko crewmates ya. Sekali pata kai new every nationality like Filipino, Indonesia, and Russian. You try come kai. And one of the guy from British. But yeah, I kind of like it too. It was so satisfying. Yeah, it was fun and like.
I saw you posting on Facebook, like the one wearing mekhala from our traditional mekhala.
Nina.
Yeah, it's from
Argentina, end of the world, and it's very beautiful. Ushuaia, it's very beautiful. It's my again. Si ko zay na tayo, because si ko clear lang papam. Si ko mo na like overcome na ko dream overcome city ka nang di kadi pam dirong niye. Mangsara niki building tu niye. Tisara cruise is the best for me.
Family background also use YouTube dong Khang tari tu nang yo ati wo kadi wo achieve kam lu ja ngam ko wi bo taw lu nyu kam ta se agyo king kai lu ju kai ni we feel so overwhelmed and we're so proud of you.